Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room.
Hi, Dayan. Happy 31st birthday. I hope mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday and stay happy and positive sa life mo. I hope nga magkajuwa na ka sa imong ika-31st birthday kay Day. Last na nimong number sa kalendar. Next year, di naka-appeal sa kalendar. So, I hope magkajuwa na ka. I hope sa Valentine's Day na kay jowa. And again, happy birthday, Dayan. Thank you.
Hi everyone, hello, good morning, good evening. May papatiin lang po ako saglit ng kaarawan niya ngayon. Walang iba kundi si Lalabs Dayan o Navia. Labs, happy birthday sa iyo and sensya na kayo yung mukha ko. Umitim na. And siguro yun lang, enjoy your life, enjoy your birthday, more candles to blow and more blessings to come. And basta nandito lang ako sa inyo. Sa ngayon, hindi mo na ako maka-update. So sana, update nyo din yung channel ko ha. O, yan lang, lalabs, and happy birthday again. Babush!
What's going on, my sister from another mother? Dayan. Usually I don't show myself into, any cameras or anything like that, you guys know. But after Gary forced me to, so I'm just dropping by to say happy birthday to you. And I wish you nothing but good health, more success, and that's it. Salute.
Hi guys, this is Summer Rain Channel.
And this is Human Nightbot.
Today guys, we would like to greet a very close whitey friend, Miss Dayan Navia, a happy birthday!
Yes guys, all the way from Dubai. Ayan, happy birthday Miss Day. Kahit malayo ka man sa iyong pamilya, ay nandito naman yung mga kaibigan from White World.
Yes, indeed! And thank you so much for a short span of time na naging kaibigan ka namin sa YT. And enjoy your day! Happy birthday ulit!
Ayan, happy birthday. Lagpas kalendar ka na. And God bless.
So high, your laughter is infectious. It fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence. Happiness overflows. Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up lives to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit.
Dayan, enjoy your birthday. We love you and we miss you. Mwah! Happy birthday, yan. More blessings to come. More birthday to celebrate. Yay! Oh, and I'm happy. Happy birthday. Kiss. Come on, flying kiss. Oh, napi ka boo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mwah! Kiss. Dali.
Hi, hello, Dayan. Si Ate Nursing ni mo ni happy birthday. Pwede tayo magsaulog sa mga tao-tauhan. Sa mong ikam. Sa inta katuig ni Kasumaran. Ginautunta mo. Padayon kong buutan. Guwapa. O makakaplag na ka sa imong true love. Happy birthday! God bless you all.
Hi, Ate Dayan. Happy birthday. God bless you. Wish you all the best. More blessing to come to your life and hope magkita tapuhon and God bless you always. So, once again, happy birthday, Ate Dayan. Ate Dayan, happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday, Ate Dayan. We love you po. Love you. See you soon tomorrow.
Ingat ka palagi dyan sa work mo, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. I hope someday we'll meet again and we wish you so much. Here at your back, we got you. Love you, ta. Love you. Happy birthday.
Sis, happy birthday. Amping ka pirmi diha. God bless.
Happy birthday, Day!
Hi, Manding. Happy birthday. And I wish all the best and stay good health, stay positive, and ano pa? Ito eh. Amping kanunay danha. Sa pag iro ta, love gihapon ta ka. Charis. So, I love you so much. We miss you so much. And I hope soon makauli ka og Pinas. Basin di ay mag-abot pa ta. Mag-abot pa yung tali pa mga charis lang. Bitaw. Anyway, amping kanunay danha o padayon sa imong plano kung saan imong plano sa kinabuhi. Charis, pag ninyo ka na, try ta ka na, pagsuon ako, char. Or magpaliwat na lang. Best lang. Basta naara ko, Permi. Naara ko, niyo duha ni Roldan. Amping kanunay dana, I love you and we miss you so much. Bye-bye!
Happiest birthday to the strongest and most independent and young. I'm so proud of you, Tay, for chasing your dreams. Love, lads. Happy birthday.
Day, happy birthday. Sana tagaan pagkadahang katuigan. Tiguang ni mong mama. Happy birthday. I love you so much.